Buzzsprout versus Podcastle. Which platform is actually better? Let's compare Buzzsprout and Podcastle to see which one fits your podcasting needs. Buzzsprout is a podcast hosting platform that offers easy to use features for uploading, distributing, and managing your podcast. It provides useful analytics to track your audience and optimize your content, making it ideal for beginner and intermediate podcasters. Podcastle is more than just a podcast host. It's also a powerful audio and video recording tool. It allows you to record high quality remote interviews, edit audio, and apply AI based enhancements like noise reduction. Podcastle is perfect for podcasters who want an all in one tool for recording, editing, and hosting their shows. If you need a straightforward hosting platform, go with Buzzsprout. But if you're looking for a platform that integrates high quality recording and editing tools, Podcastle is a better choice.